Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Tech Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manipulate inserting empty cell within a particular information. You will see what I'm going to do now. I'll give you an instance. Let's assume that you have names like this, Tunde, Richard, Roland, and you want to create empty or blank space in between them. How are you going to do that? I believe that many people will just do something like this, which is common. Okay, you highlight it like this, then you right click and you click on insert like this. I have empty or blank cells there. Then you also come here. You do the same thing. You right click it. Okay. You also insert cell here. You can see that have been created what is it called the empty or blank cells. Okay, but this is not ideal. What of if you have plenty data, okay, to create space in between them? It means that you are going to take long time, okay, before you can finish this, which can be frustrating. Okay, now to achieve this is very simple, and that is why we say that if you can think of it, then Excel can handle it for you. What you will do here is just to come here, then give it a number. You will see the trick I'm going to use. Give it number 1, 2. Okay, let me autofill it down instead of creating it manually. You can see that I have 6 names here, but I want to create a blank space in between those names. Now, what you need to do is just to create, copy this number, then paste it below like this, Ctrl V. As we can see it, once you have done it, you can see that I just reduplicated this and put it under. Now, you can now come here and filter it. Let me filter it. Okay, click on filter like this. Once you filter it, then come here, let me sort it from the lowest from the smallest to the largest. You can see it. You can see that the blank space has created automatically by using this method. Then once you have done with this, you just need to go and unfilter your information. Then you highlight this and you delete it, and we have achieved our objective. As we can see it, even if you have hundreds of names and you want to create a blank space in between them like that, just use this trick and you are good to go. Now, before I end this video, let me show you another important Microsoft Excel function. Okay, let's now assume that I have the score, or let's say age of each of these person, okay, under them. Let's say this guy is 30 years. Okay, then this one is, let's say, is 32. This one, let's say this one is 35. Okay, let's say the Casey is 24. Peter is let's say is 34, and let's say Emmanuel is 23. Okay, let's assume that you have this, and instead of having it underneath like this, it's possible you have some kind of data like this. Then I want to create its own column where I will have names and their respective age. To do that is very simple. There's an important Microsoft Excel which can handle this. Now, what I will do here is just to come here. Let me duplicate this and call this name. Okay, let me call it name. As we can see it, then you come here. Let me call this. Let me name this age. Okay, now I'll just come here and make use of wrap row. You can see that all those information are in rows. Okay, you just say wrap rows. As we can see it, wrap rows. Okay, then what is the vector? Vector is this guy. Okay, all this like this. Then you press command to put the next argument. Then how many count I need here? You know, I need 2 columns, which is name and age. As a sort of that, you have to put 2. Then you press enter button. Can you see that it works like magic? You can see that I have those names with their respective age. Now you can see Tunde is now 30, Richard is 32, as we can see it, Roland is 35, Kelsey is 24, Bethel is 34, while Emmanuel is 23. That is how you make use of wrap rows or wrap columns. Okay, it depends on what you want to achieve. You can try out that wrap columns works as well, or you can watch one of my previous videos. Okay, you will see how I made use of that wrap column. I believe you have learned two or more things in these videos. If you have done so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, endeavor to do so. That is only price you can pay for all this knowledge. Till next time we meet, I remain Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.